Burkina Faso's 35-year-old president, Ibrahim Traoré, has set social media ablaze with his comments lamenting how Africa, despite all of its richness and natural resources, is still so poor that its leaders have to travel to the West to beg for aid. He made these comments while attending the second edition of the just-ended Russia-Africa Summit in St. Petersburg, Russia, that took place from July 27th to July 28th, 2023. President Ibrahim Traoré, who is Africa's youngest president, also stressed the need for African countries to forge new alliances moving forward to guarantee a brighter future for their people. Shy and intelligent boy in school, Burkina Faso's Captain Ibrahim Traoré is one of the most recent military commanders to capture power in a coup. In one of France's former colonies in West Africa, Traoré was part of the group of RV officers that supported the January 2022 Burkina Faso and brought the patriotic movement for safeguard and restoration of military content to power from March 2022. He served as the head of an artillery regiment in Kaya, the fifth largest city in Burkina Faso, lying northeast of Ouagadougou. However, he was catapulted onto the world stage after overthrowing his ex-comrades, Lieutenant Colonel Paul Henry Damo, on September 30th, 2022, accusing him of breaking his bow to put an end to the Islamist conflict that has plagued Burkina Faso since 2015. The 35-year-old captain was born in 1988, making him the youngest head of state in Africa. He joins the ranks of three other co-leaders: the charismatic Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya of Guinea, born in 1981, the bearded Colonel Assembla of Mali, born in 1983, and General After Romain Tiani, born in 1961, the head of Niger's powerful presidential guards since 2015, who just declared himself leader on July 29th, 2023, after barricading President Muhammadu inside his residence and demanding his resignation after successfully orchestrating his coup. Captain Traoré reportedly told government officials, "I know I'm younger than most of you here. We didn't want what happened, but we didn't have a choice." President Ibrahim Traoré's both comments at the Russia-Africa Summit have resonated deeply with Africans and earned him an influx of admirers overnight is indeed perplexing. That Africa, blessed with an abundance of natural resources, continues to grapple with poverty to the extent that it relies on foreign aid. This paradox can be attributed to a combination of historical factors, including colonial exploitation, unequal trade relationships, political instability, corruption, and mismanagement of resources. Additionally, the lack of diversified economies and sustainable development strategies has hindered the continent's ability to fully harness its wealth of resources for the benefit of its people. President Traoré also pointed out the irony of African leaders seeking aid from the West, despite overseeing countries with abundant resources, by voicing the frustrations and long-held questions of many Africans. Traoré has emerged as a symbol of hope for change and a catalyst for challenging a status quo in Africa's leadership and economic landscape. As a young leader, Traoré's advantage lies in his ability to connect with the aspirations of Africa's youth, who make up a significant portion of a continent's population. Many young Africans are eager to identify with fresh ideas and identities of leaders like themselves, who can bring about innovative approaches to governance and tackle long-standing challenges. Traoré's youthfulness thus brings a sense of relatability and represents a beacon of progress for a generation seeking to reshape Africa's narrative and usher in a new era of prosperity and self-reliance. Do you agree with Captain Ibrahim Traoré's comments about the need for Africa's story to change through strategic alliances and good leadership? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, subscribe to Ibsa Gamada YouTube channel for more interesting future videos. Thank you.